Video 30, Cleanliness, Part 3. There are three cleaning methods widely used: wet, dry, as well as wet and dry, also referred to as combination method. In video 29, we discussed some of the dry method cleaners available. We will now look at the wet method and some of the options at our disposal. Wet solutions are for more stubborn dirt and grease contamination, where the dry method alone is unable to remove them. If after inspection, contamination has not been removed after dry cleaning, wet cleaning may be needed using wipes and a solvent. Wipes made from lint-free material and an appropriate solvent are typically used to remove contaminants. There is a best practice when it comes to using solvents. Don't use too much. A dish-type pump dispenser may be used for the solvent. You don't need to remove the cap or lid for each use, and because only 0.7 cc or cubic centimeter of fluid is pumped out with each stroke, fumes and waste are reduced. The fluid supply remains free of contaminants because the dispensed fluid does not drain back into the bottle. Another option is pre-saturated cleaning wipes. Pre-saturated fiber optic cleaning wipes give a simple and helpful solution for the removal of oils and other wet cleaning applications. The wet and dry cleaning method has increased in popularity. This is where you use wipes, probes, or cleaning swabs with solvent, and then dry the surface without solvent afterwards. It is important to remember that any of these consumables should be immediately discarded after use. Reusing a dirty wipe or swab is one of the easiest ways to spread contamination. The goal is easy enough. The connector has to be clean. Which method you use is up to you. And remember the golden rule: inspect, clean, and inspect again.